Welcome to book review series of FinOSafe. The Intelligent Investor, a definitive guide to investing wisely and achieving financial freedom. Written by Benjamin Graham, this classic book provides timeless advice on how to make smart investments and achieve financial success. Learn the principles of value investing, risk management, and portfolio diversification to maximize returns and minimize losses. Discover the secrets of successful investing and become an intelligent investor today. It is a must-read for any investor looking to make wise decisions in the stock market. The book focuses on the importance of value investing, which is the practice of buying stocks at a price that is lower than their intrinsic value. Graham also emphasizes the importance of diversification and risk management. He explains that investors should never put all their eggs in one basket and should always be aware of the risks associated with any investment. He also stresses the importance of patience and discipline, as well as the need to stay informed about the markets. The Intelligent Investor is an invaluable resource for any investor looking to make sound decisions in the stock market. The Intelligent Investor is an essential guide for anyone looking to make smart investments. It provides a comprehensive overview of the stock market, risk management, and the psychology of investing. By following the principles outlined in this book, investors can make informed decisions. Stay tuned to FinOSafe for more updates. Thanks for watching.